Hello, class. My project focused on San Francisco's homelessness. My goal was to highlight the growing problem that I felt was taking over the Bay Area in general, taking over the city's parks and streets. What inspired me to focus on the homelessness problem was that I saw the mental problems, the drug paraphernalia left on the streets, as I came to the city to pick up my daughter, and we went around the city, going to the parks and just going around. Uh, the problem that I first encountered was taking my camera equipment, and it was the first problem was, the first lens I took was a long lens, and it was good and it was bad. It was good in these areas, but I had to pick my uh, shots that I wanted, and it was tough. Uh, I put some information there. I I got some close-ups. I didn't really like the having that lens. What I did was I changed the lens to a 50 millimeter, and instead of walking around, I got in back in my car, and I seemed to feel a little bit safer and got some better shots as I covered more area. This one was, I called this, the first one was, you see in every area. It's the homeless are making money by banging on the buckets, and I called that the street beat. They have that in every major city that you go to. Then I took this from the library, and that was their tent city. In between the government buildings, and that one I think was in the news. That picture, not my picture, but a picture similar to that. Then the street patrols, the street cleanup patrol. That's what they have. The streets look pretty clean, and here you can see the cleanup of the streets, and these people were brutal. The sleeping bag and the pillow had happened to be on the street beforehand, and the man swept the street, the sidewalk clean, put the sleeping bag and the pillow in the gutter, and went along his way. Here's another picture of the cleanup person cleaning on Van Ness. I called this one here the outdoor room. It was in the Tenderloin, right next to the boutique hotel, and I could only imagine the bell desk or the front desk saying, "Would you like an outdoor room or an indoor room?" Another picture that I took in the car. I wasn't even. I was focusing on the man and not the area. I composed it, and it just happened to be the saying "incredible but true." I thought that one was pretty incredible, to say the least. Um, the next shot I got, I in I named it privacy because she's behind the box. She has her belongings in the shopping cart, and she has her jackets hung up. The second one, the third, fourth or fifth one I have, that this is one of my best ones besides the incredible but true, was this shot. I didn't even see the background. I just saw the trash that the woman was sleeping in. If you look closely, by the boxes, you'll see that she has her drugs there, her syringes. Um, but that one was pretty powerful with the eye in the background. So I entitled that "I See You." This other person here is sleeping on or laying on the floor, smoking a joint, and I entitled that one "Shh," because you can see the woman in the poster with her finger to her lips. This one was called the two-room box. They were the homeless in between Polk and Van Ness in an alley. Um, they just seem to move the homeless around in the Tenderloin as they're cleaning up everywhere. It's just a revolving problem. This person I photographed walking up Powell Street in California, and he seemed to know the area because he reached behind the fence, and I guess he knew that there was a hose there to wash himself with, but he didn't see that I was taking a picture of him, but you could see that he was looking at me. I happened to be on the street, not in the car. One of the last ones, this guy, pretty muscular, he was screaming and yelling, and there was nobody near him. And then he saw, I guess he was looking, and he saw me taking a picture of him. And I guess I didn't ask him to pose, but that's what he looked like. He looked like he was, uh, could likely be enraged in any moment. So the last is that they say that the problem of homelessness has to do with the scarce housing, and if we can increase the supply, that will solve the problem. San Francisco spends a lot of money on homelessness, and that's not solving the problem. And with every the current environment of inflation and rising prices, the solution to homelessness and seems a long way. And the last part is this photo is this gentleman looking in his wallet, and as you can see, there's nothing in it, no money, and I entitled that one "Broke." Well, thank you for listening. Enjoy the rest of your year. Thank you.